Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best Beauty. So today's video is going to be a really interesting one because this is a luxury haul and this includes some handbags and makeup as well, and I'm really excited to share with you all of the things that I purchased. So without any further ado, let's get started. And before we begin, if you aren't subscribed already, then make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's get started. So recently I had been to this designer outlet and this is near Milan and it's called as Serra Vale, and here you get all designer stuff at discounted prices, and trust me, it's amazing. There were discounts like 65% off and 70% off, and it was amazing. And you have like tons of brands over there. So you have Michael Kors, you have Prada, you have Gucci, you have Burberry, you have Coach and all sorts of other brands as well. So it was really exciting. And I don't own anything in terms of like a branded bag or a wallet or anything of that sort, or even shoes for that matter. So I really wanted to get like a nice bag for myself and for my mom as well. So the first store that I did go to was Michael Kors, and they had crazy discounts going on. They had like 70% off on all their handbags and it was just amazing. So I obviously picked up a bag for my mom because she also doesn't have like a designer bag for herself. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to show it to you guys. And it came in this huge bag. Okay. And I'm just going to show you the bag now. So this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it's a really nice dark brown bag with gold detailing on it and this logo as well. It looks really nice and classy, and then it has MK written all over it, and it's the perfect handbag size for her as well. That's why I really thought that this would be perfect for her. I'm not going to open this up for you guys because I obviously want her to open it, but yeah, this is what the first bag looks like. The next item is actually a wallet for myself because I really wanted like a nice branded wallet, and again this is what it looks like. So it's in the same pattern as the handbag that I showed you guys. So it has again the dark brown color and then MK written all over it, and then when you open this up, okay, this is how it looks like, and I've actually filled it up all the way because I just wanted to use it as soon as possible. And this is really heavy because I have a lot of coins, but yeah, this is how it looks like. And again, it's a really pretty, very simple but elegant kind of a wallet, and this is what I got for myself. The next brand that I went to was Coach, and it had again like a 65% discount going on, which is again really amazing. And this item that I purchased for myself is actually really dear to me, and it's going to be special forever because this is the first luxury handbag that I got with my own money. So I'm really happy, and it's just something that I wanted to share with you guys as well because this is a really special purchase for me. So this is what the bag comes in, and I'm just going to show it to you. It's a really pretty bag, and this is the perfect size for me as well because I don't like carrying like those huge bags, because obviously if I'm going to go around for a really long time and I'm going to walk for a really long time, I don't want something really heavy to carry with me. So that's why I love this one, and it's just so nice. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, this is like a nice dark blue color, and I absolutely adore this. It's so pretty and classy, and I just like these simple bags with just the logo on it, and I don't want like too much of detailing as well. So that's why I absolutely love this one. So this is what it looks like, and then this has the Coach logo in gold, and it's just very classy. And then you open this up. Okay, and this is what it looks like from inside. This is not the right way of showing this bag, but again this has like a chain, and then you can you know, it's divided into 2 compartments, so it's much easier to store all your things as well. And I absolutely love this one. This bag is going to be really special for me. I hope you guys liked it too. And I obviously bought another thing from Furla. Okay, or Furla, some people pronounce it as Furla as well, and this is what it looks like. Again, it's a really small thing, but I wanted like a nice you know, key holder. So this is what it looks like, okay, from inside, and this is just my key hanging over here. So this is a really cute key holder, and that's the reason I got this one as well. So those were all the things that I purchased from Sarah Wali, and let me know if you want to see like a what's in my bag sort of a video, because I'm really excited to show you guys all the other things that I keep in my bag as well. So let me know in the comments down below. And now we're going to move on to the makeup, which is again my favorite part to show you guys. So a month back I actually placed an order on cultbeauty.uk, and I just love the website so much, and I highly recommend you guys purchasing from the website because they have tons of brands and they deliver instantly. So I placed an order from Italy and I got it within 6 to 7 days, and it's really a very good website. And you can obviously place an order from India as well. They do deliver to India, and in India I've placed an order again and I got it within 10 days, which is really good as compared to any other websites. So definitely go and check it out. So I picked up a few things from there, and you guys might have seen a sneak peek on Snapchat already, and that's the reason I tell you guys to add me on Snapchat, because you're going to see the sneak peeks over there first. As soon as I get these items, I show it on Snapchat first, so definitely add me. The username is Siddhi. So these are all the things that you don't get in Italy, so that's the reason I picked these up. So the first thing that I got is this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is what the packaging looks like. And as you guys might have seen on social media as well, this is a really popular product by Stila, and this is in the shade Smoky Storm, and this is like a liquid eyeshadow which is filled with glitter, and that's why I wanted to try it out immediately. And let me know if you want to see a tutorial with this particular eyeshadow. As you can see, it's really pretty. Wow, I meant to say it's really pretty. And this is what it looks like. I really wanted a nice brow product because I don't do anything to my brows. I just, you know, leave them like this because they are quite thick anyway, so I don't fill them really often. But I really wanted to try like a nice brow product, so I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Base, and this is in the shade dark brown, and this is what it looks like. I just hope it's focusing. Okay, so on one side you have the spoolie which looks like this, okay, and then on the other side you have the product. So it's really easy to use as well, so that's the reason I got this. The next two items are lip products, and as you guys know, I love them, and these are the Jouer High Pigment Lip Glosses, and this is what it looks like. So this comes in like a nice gold packaging, and again these have been all over the internet as well. They are really nice and glossy, and I've used these couple of times as well. They feel so nice on your lips. They are really moisturizing. They are not sticky at all, and they have great pigmentation on these as well, and I love the color selection. So I got two shades. So the first one is Rodeo and the second one is Madison, and these both are really pretty shades, and they're perfect for the Indian skin tone as well. So I'm just going to show you guys how they look like. The packaging on these is just stunning. Just look at this. It looks really nice and classy, and they're not that expensive as well. I'm going to leave the prices in the description box below of these products so you can check it out for yourself, and a link to their website as well. So this is in the shade Madison, and this looks really purple, but once you apply it on your lips, it's just the perfect nice pinky sort of a color. So I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. As you can see, they are insanely pigmented, and this is a really pretty color. So this is in the shade Madison, as I said. Recently I've been loving lip glosses because they just make your lips look really nice and plump, and especially I love using them in the summer season. Now this is the second shade that I picked up, and this is in the shade Rodeo, and as you can see, it's a nice pinky nude color, and I'm just going to swatch this one for you as well. So this is what that one looks like. Okay, that was a really bad swatch. So this is what Madison looks like, and this is Rodeo, and as you can see, they're really pretty shades. So these are the two lip glosses that I picked up. The next product is again the one that I've been wanting for a really long time, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, the packaging on this is really pretty. Now Charlotte Tilbury is a brand which is slightly on the high-end side, but their products are really good quality. She herself is a really good makeup artist, and I've seen a lot of videos wherein she uses her products on models and they look so nice. I really want to try the Magic foundation as well that she has, but first I thought that I should try this nice flawless finish, can't talk, this powder, because I really don't have like a nice good compact powder. And I'm just going to show you the packaging again. It's really pretty, and this is what it looks like. This is like a nice rose gold packaging, and there are 3 shades in this particular powder. So there is light, medium and dark. I obviously picked up the shade medium. I wish she had more shades, but again, this is what it looks like, and it has a nice mirror as well. That's why I love this. And this is perfect for just, you know, setting up your T-zone area or something of that sort. That's why I picked this one up. And the last thing that I picked up from Cult Beauty is actually this Alpha Liquid Gold with glycolic acid, and this is what it looks like. I hope it's focusing. Okay, so this is actually a really interesting product, and I saw such great reviews about this product, so I thought that I should get this. And this was for around 33 euros or something of that sort, so it wasn't like really expensive as well. So this says that it revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. So this is actually a really good product, mainly for firming your skin, but then it has all these other benefits as well. And I saw it on their website and it looked like a really promising product, and all the reviews were really positive about this. So I've been using it and I actually kind of like it. I haven't seen like a major difference as of now, because you have to use it for a month to see, you know, and notice difference in your skin. I'm actually going to tell my mom also to try this out, because this helps with firming. So let's see if it actually does, but obviously I'm not going to see a difference in my skin with respect to that. And this is what the packaging looks like. So this is like a liquid that you're supposed to apply every alternate evening. I will use this product for a few more days and actually let you guys know if it works or not. And now let's move on to the Sephora haul. This is, I think, like the 4th Sephora haul that I'm doing, and this is definitely not a good sign. I think I am addicted, but as I had mentioned in my earlier video as well, there is only Sephora where you can buy makeup from. You don't get any other shops over here, so that's a really sad thing, because I've been showing a lot of high-end makeup. I am upset about it myself, but I'm definitely going to buy a lot of affordable products when I go back to India, but there's still time for that. I'm coming back in October, so I still bought a lot of things, because again, when I go back to India, I'm not going to find these things. So the first thing that I picked up from Sephora is this Dr. Jart Bright Lover Rubber Mask. This is a brightening wrapping rubber mask. It ultimately soothes and brightens your skin, and this is what it looks like. So let me know if you want to see a video on this, because it looks really interesting, and Dr. Jart masks are really good. So let me know if you want to see a video, because it's going to be a really interesting one. And I'm repeating things as usual, and I'm repeating words as usual, so really can't help it. I need to improve my vocabulary for sure. The second thing that I picked up is mainly because of the packaging, and this is the Becca X Chrissy Teigen Glow Face Palette, and this is what it looks like. Again, it's so beautiful, and this has like 2 highlighters, 1 blush and a bronzer, and this is what it looks like up close. Okay, I'm just going to show it to you. Look how beautiful this is. This is like a marble finish, and it's just beautiful. And then behind here you can just see the 4 colors that are there. And I'm just going to open this up, and the best part about this palette is the mirror, because it's huge. Just look at this, and you can see my lighting over there. This mirror is huge and it goes back all the way, so that's a really good thing. And here you can see, here you have your 2 highlighters, here you have a blush and then a bronzer. So it's a really pretty palette, and it's really versatile as well. You can just carry this if you're going on some vacation and you don't need any other products with you. So that's why I really like it, and the quality is also really good on these powders. So yeah, this was the second thing that I got. The third product that I got is this Bumble and Bumble thickening shampoo, and this is what it looks like. Now I've heard great reviews about this as well, and I'm always up for like a nice good volumizing shampoo, and I've tried so many of them, so I thought that I should try this one as well. And let me know if you want to see like a video on the best volumizing shampoos, because trust me, I have tried many and I have some which I really like. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Now there's a huge sale going on in Milan during July and August, and everything is like 50%, 60%, 80% off as well, so it's crazy. And Sephora also had some discounts. Usually makeup is not on discounts, but Sephora had some products which were there. So this one is a pro angled brush in number 13, and this was for around €5, so that's the reason I picked this up. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is like a nice angled eyeshadow brush, and again the packaging on these is really nice, so I got this. The next product that I'm going to show you guys is actually why I went to Sephora in the first place, and this was the only product I was supposed to pick up, and this is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and this is what it looks like. Now I already have the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, which I absolutely love, but I've heard great reviews about this one as well. And again, this is in the shade Ginger, which is like the same shade that I use for the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And the packaging on this is also really nice. So this is what it looks like, and I have noticed that this definitely covers up my dark circles much better than the Radiant Creamy Concealer, so that's why I got this. So what I do is I actually use this soft matte concealer first, and then on top of it I use the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and both of these just create a nice finish under my eyes as well. But let me tell you that if you have like dry under eye circles, then you definitely need to first use some sort of an eye cream before applying this, because this is like a matte concealer, so it's obviously going to further become even more dry. So that's why I definitely use some sort of an eye cream, and that's the reason I use the Radiant Creamy Concealer as well, because both of these together perform really well. The last thing that I got is this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, and this is what it looks like. It comes in this small jar. The bigger jars are really expensive, and I wanted to try this one first, and if I like it then I obviously will pick up the bigger size in this. And this is actually surprisingly really good. I had like pimples on my forehead, and I get those a lot of times, I think because I have combination skin and it's really annoying. So I did use this and it cleared it in like 2 uses, so that's a really good sign. And let me know if you want to see again like my favorite skincare products, because there are many. And yeah, this is the one that I've been using for my forehead as well, and it has performed really well. Now I shopped a lot, so that's why they gave me a lot of samples, which is a really good thing over here, because in India they hardly give you any samples. So the samples were the thing that excited me the most, because when you see it, I'm sure you will love them too. So the first sample that I got is actually a Marc Jacobs lipstick. Yes, I got this mini sized Marc Jacobs lipstick, and it's so cute. And this is in the shade 222 Boy Gorgeous. And I'm just going to show it to you. The packaging is just so cute. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then this is a really nice dark pink color, and this is what it looks like. So this is what she gave me, and I was just surprised because they give Marc Jacobs lipsticks as samples, so that's a really good thing, and it obviously motivates you to shop even more the next time. The next thing that I got is this Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water, and I've always seen this in Sephora, but I never pick it up because I'm so comfortable using my Bioderma for taking off my makeup. But this is what it looks like, and as you can see, these samples are like huge, so it's not like a very small amount that they give you, so that's a really good thing. And the third thing that I got is this Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and this is what it looks like. And I have a smaller size in this, but I got one more which is I think even smaller, so this is really nice for traveling, and I love this mascara as well. She also gave me like a few samples, perfume samples by Guerlain, and yeah, these were all the things that I got from Sephora. And we are almost at the end. I know this is like a really long video, but these are all the things that I've purchased over the past 1 or 2 months. So obviously I didn't just go buy all of these things at once, and I purchased a few things from MAC. Now you must have seen that I don't use a lot of MAC products, but I don't know why whenever I enter I just feel like everything is expensive, which is funny because I shop in Sephora. But I thought that I should actually buy a few things, and I wanted like lip pencils. Okay, 1 minute. There was one more product that I got from Sephora which wasn't there inside, and that is actually a lip liner by Makeup Forever, and this is the Aqua lip liner, and that's actually a waterproof lip liner. I'm just gonna find it and maybe show it to you guys. I don't know where I kept it, but let's just first finish with MAC. So I got the MAC Pro Longwear lip pencil, and this is in the shade Nice and Spicy. Now I obviously wanted to try the regular ones that are there, which are really famous. Like there is Soar, then there is Boldly Bare, I think. Yeah, so I wanted to try these out, but I think that these Pro Longwear lip pencils are much softer and, you know, much pigmented than the other ones that are there. So that's why I got this, and this is also a really nice nude color, and I'm actually wearing it on my lips today. And this is what the color looks like. These are again really soft and creamy and pigmented, and all those things that you need in a lip product. Next thing that I picked up is quite surprising because I usually don't buy blushes, but this color looked really nice, and this is a powder blush in the shade Burnt Pepper, and this is what it looks like. As you can see in the packaging, it looks really dark, but obviously I'm not going to apply like a heavy amount of it. It looks really nice on Indian skin tones. That's the reason I got this, and I don't have anything which resembles this shade, so that's why I got this. And this is a really pretty color, as you can see, and these are also really creamy and soft, and they blend with your skin really nicely. The next thing that I got is this MAC Prep and Prime, which is Max Fix Plus, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see, this is a tiny bottle that I got, and I wanted to, you know, get this again. I had got like a bigger size in this earlier, but it just broke for some reason, and that's why I never got it. But I thought that I should get this especially for, you know, glitter eyeshadows and all of those things. And the last thing that I picked up is actually a sharpener. Yes. And this is a pencil sharpener, and it looks like this, and I really like this sharpener. So I have a lot of lip pencils and eyeliners as well which need to be sharpened, so that's why I got this, and I can't find mine which I got in India, so that's why I picked this one up. I also want to share one thing that I don't know if you guys know this, that you can actually clean your sharpeners. So I think you guys know, but I just wanted to share it with you anyway. So this is what the sharpener looks like, okay, and then here you can see, I don't know if the camera is going to catch it. Here you can see there is this this thing, I don't know what to call it. So you can just take it out like this, okay, and then you can actually just clean your sharpener with this. So that is a really good thing, and as you can see, it's already dirty because I've been sharpening my lip pencils yesterday and my eye pencils as well. That was what I was doing at 2:30 in the night. Interesting, right? And I think that's when you saw the Snapchat wherein I showed you guys you know, sneak peek of the haul. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this nice luxury haul video. I know I showed a lot of products. I just want to try more and more makeup so that I can show you guys which one is the best, so that you can go out and only pick the best makeup products. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Also make sure you follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29, and also follow me on Snapchat. The username is Siddhi. And last but definitely not the least, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. You're just going to see like my face. You just have to click on it and then get subscribed to my channel so that you're notified with all the videos that I'm putting up. And trust me, I'm going to upload as many times as I can. So please do that. It'll really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.